Are you getting Roku error 21? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the server status page. The error 21 on Roku typically indicates a temporary issue connecting to a specific channel or app. You can wait for some time and then try again. You can check the channel's server status. For this, open your web browser from PC or mobile. Then type the channel's name and server status. Then check for any server outage. If there is any issue on the server's side, wait till the problem is fixed. Method 2. Restart your Roku device. The next thing you can do is restart the Roku device. To restart your Roku device, you can either unplug the power cable, wait a moment and then reconnect it. Or you can use the following steps to restart it from the settings menu. Go to Roku settings, then select System, then Power, select System Restart, then select Restart. Method 3. Check your internet connection. You can check the internet speed on your PC or phone by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is slow, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. Next, you can power cycle the router or modem. To do that, disconnect the router or modem from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem and check if this could fix the issue. Method 4. Update Roku device. Ensure your Roku device is running the latest firmware. To update the firmware, go to Settings, then select System. Then select Software Update. If updates are available, install them. Method 5. Clear your cache and data. From the home screen, press the Home button on the remote 5 times, then press the up arrow button. Now, press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 6. Delete and reinstall the app or channel. The next thing you can do is uninstall and reinstall the channel or app. Here are the steps to reinstall an app or channel on Roku. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel you want to uninstall. Here we are selecting this channel, for example. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen, select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. And there you have it, the way to fix Roku error 21. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.